guys, what's up? I am finally back with another video. Hi, how are you guys? So, a long time no see. Yes, I know, it's been a while. Probably about a month's worth of me trying to film stuff and then trying to edit it, and then, yeah, so I'm just gonna rewind real quick and tell you guys what everything happened, but basically I've already uploaded a quick live video on YouTube. My computer went kapoots. Like, my brand new MacBook Final Cut Pro just decided to up and shut down on me when I was editing like 3 videos for you guys at the beginning of August, and now here it is, almost August 31st. It's about 10:30 at night right now, and I had pre-filmed all of these videos that I'm about to do now, and none of them are worth good, and I kind of lost my card that the rest of the videos were on before I deleted them. So yeah, that's where we stand with that. So excuse my bare face. I don't feel like putting on makeup right now. I have done probably 4 hours worth of college homework. I have now done probably 8-hour day, and I have maybe had an hour to myself, maybe, throughout the whole day. So forgive me if I don't want to put on makeup again. But I am so glad to be back, and if this video actually works, I'm so glad to be back. So, it's kind of test run, but the next video, guys, I'm telling you, I've got some Shein stuff ready for you. Like, that's what this whole box is right here. This, and then I've got Shein stuff over here. I've got so much stuff, you guys. Like, stuff has been coming in left and right. And then we're going to be doing Amazon must-haves. Okay, so if you guys are new here, hi, welcome, how are you? We all love you. Join our family here. So go ahead and hit that post notification bell and that subscribe button for more videos and fun, loving activity from me. I cannot wait to get into it because this video was supposed to go up by... I started planning this video in July 2nd. So that was like pretty much 2 months ago, which is pretty pathetic. So I just have not had any luck. I've tried iMovie, I have tried everything, and I am just beyond so sorry for how long this has taken. But I still don't know if this is going to actually work, so I'm filming new footage so that it will actually hopefully work, because we've tried so many different ways of trying to figure out why my footage was cutting in and out and my audio wasn't working. So if you guys have any idea why that would have been happening with Final Cut Pro, let me know in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate it if you guys would kind of put some insight in my life with that. But my IT guy and me totally still have no idea what happened. No idea. The very first item that we have, you guys, has been a saving grace for me in the mornings, especially on busy mornings, is this little egg omelet boiler cooker type gadget here. So basically it's super simple. It's by Dash, so it has this little lid here, little vent hole. And then we have the omelet cooker, and then we have like the, I don't know what this one's used for. I don't really use this one. And then we have like the actual egg stand to boil the eggs. And then like the water goes down on this tray right here, just like so. And it cooks up really fast. Then it has this cute little thing, timer dimmer thing that lets you know when your eggs are done. And it may take like 8 minutes max. I think I've timed it before. And it's super, super cute. Like, it fits in my hand. And of course the color is one of my favorite colors. So this thing retails for about $20 on Amazon. Great price. Great price. Alright, so the next thing we have are these very fashionable belts that look very high fashion. So these are leather belts here. Brown and black. And they have these gold accent buckles here. Double rings. They kind of look like a Gucci belt, but not quite. But they're way cheaper than Gucci belts. And these belts have lasted me quite a while, so I thought I would mention them in this video because it's like a Amazon Find Favorites type thing. So these actually retail anywhere from $9, $10 to like $15. Just depending on like what type you get. And I will link everything down in the description box below if you guys are wondering where and how to get to these things. So the next thing here I have, you guys, is I've got to shout her out, but this is from Kelly, STRACK. And this is like a little electric lighter. My brother has shocked the shit out of himself with this, and it was so funny, guys. I wish I had the video because I could insert it right here, but I don't have a video. Like, I literally almost had my camera out, and he did it right before. He had a Kit Kat bar thing, and you know this Kit Kat wrapper things? The wrapper is aluminum, and he totally stuck this thing on the aluminum. Sorry, that was my alarm to go to bed. He stuck this on the aluminum thing, and it was in his hand, and he totally just, he was like, that was stupid after he had done it because he didn't think about it before he did it. He literally lights everything and anything on fire. But back to what I was saying. This has a little on-off switch. It has little LED lights. They say it's like electroplasma. If I'm saying that wrong, let me know. But it charges by UPS, USB port, and I think that is so convenient. But these are so light and so cute, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's so much simpler. And if your dogs are like my dogs and they bark at every single lighter, they still bark at this one, but it's not as noticeable. You can cover up the sound of this one better. It retails for about $9.99 on Amazon. We have these cute little scarves here. These are some satin head scarf wraps. So basically you can wrap your hair in these, or you can style them throughout your ponytail. I have done them with my ponytail before, but you can wrap your hair up, and it's so cute, guys. Just like so. Oh, mine usually sit at a better angle, but I love these. These are so, so cute, and these actually retail for about $11.99, so about 12 bucks for 3 pieces, and you get a white one, a green one, and a rustic brown reddish one. And I absolutely love them. They're so easy to style here. Sorry, my camera died on me, or was dying on me. So the next item that we have is these cute little Ivy scrunchies. Ivy scrunchies, excuse me. These are the best. These are literally scrunchy silk satin hair ties that are for women or girls, basically. But they come in this cute little bag that I've kept them in since the beginning, and they are so cute. Like, how much cuter can you get than cheetah? And like all the colors there's about 10 that come in a pack, and these retail for on Amazon about $7, so $6.99 for 10. I love these, and they don't pull your hair out. They're super easy to come out of your hair, but not to the point that it's like it falls out of your hair. It stays in your hair just right. Alright guys, so the next thing here that I have is a heatless curler for your hair. So basically, this little hoodie thingy is a curling rod headband sleeping. Very true. So what you do is you clip it up here. I don't have my clip with me because Willow took it and threw it, and I can't find it now. But you can take any old clip, for an example, like this, and you clip it to the top of your head. This one actually works a lot better than the other one does. Actually, it's folding it there. So you take it and you curl it like so. And I can do a tutorial on this, guys, if you're interested. I'll literally take all of your hair. You can do it in separate sections if you want. You can take another section and then wrap it separately with color. I'll use it just on this is great if you go in the shower. Or you can take all of your hair on each side, put them on both sides. And then you scrunchie it with 2 scrunchies. So this on Amazon retails for about 8 bucks to about $9. So I gotta say, TikTok made me buy these guys too. So these are literally called push-up sticky bras with invisible adhesive backless strapless bra, and it is a push-up. I recommend, so on Amazon I actually recommend get a size smaller than what my actual cup size is. So I got a cup A. It works okay, but if you start to sweat or anything like that, you're constantly going to be pushing them back on. So get your actual size is what I'm going to recommend doing. You can get 2 pair, one black and one nude, just like this picture shows here. And literally it has this little strap here. And all you do is you drawstring it, and then it lifts your tits. I love it. Besides in hot, inclement weathers when you're profusely sweating. I really liked it. So these, for 2 of them, retail for about $16.99, $17, depending on which brand you do get. The next thing here that I have is, if you guys do selfless tanner at home, this is going to be your best friend. This is a backless tanner mat. So basically you take it with your thumbs and you do your back side with it. I'm telling you, this is going to be a lifesaver, so you don't have to wait on somebody to come home and rub the tanner on your back. But this is a back tanning pad and it is so easy to use. It's got the handles, it's nice and soft, it spreads it pretty evenly, except if you have scoliosis like me. I need a little help then, but other than that, it's so easy to use. And I think this retails from anywhere from $8 to $9. This is the brand I got. I cannot pronounce it, but I absolutely love it and it's great for self-tanning. Guys, so last but not least are these cool little magnetic cord compactors is what I call it. So basically these are called magnetic cord organizers, reusable silicone twist cable ties for bundling, organizing, holding stuff, bookmarkers, fridge magnets, cable manager, keep, wrap, straps, clips. Wow, there's a lot of information at once. But I have them laying everywhere around my house and they attach to each other, but what they are meant for is, so for an example, they're meant to keep cords together. That's at least what I use them for. These are a lifesaver when it comes to traveling, especially with flat irons, curling irons. Retail for about a pack of, for a 12 pack, they retail for about $12.99 to $13 depending on. Okay guys, so that actually wraps up my Amazon must-have favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video very much and I hope you guys come back for more. If you like this video and the content, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button if you have not done so already, and that post notification bell so you can be notified of any of my future uploads coming up. Bye guys.